Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter winload.efi missing file, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to do is to rebuild the BCD. So for that, we will go to command prompt, open it in the elevated function by right clicking on it and clicking on run as administrator. And then we will input the command boot boot space slash rebuild rebuild bcd. So bootrec space slash rebuild bcd and press enter. Now the second thing we'll do is a system restore. If the first solution doesn't work, then we will do a system restore. So for that we need to look for recovery, click here, and then click on open system restore, click on next, and then we'll select the restore point, click on next, and then click on finish, and this will restore your system to an earlier date and time where this error never occurred. Now if this system restore also doesn't work, the only option left is to run an SFC scan. So we'll open command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, and we will input the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. Wait for the scan to finish, and this should solve the problem. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.